What's up, FPV junkies, Devil C? Yo, y'all go hit that subscribe button, that notification bell for when I post. Gonna be doing a lot more interactive videos, flying, building, etc. We are using the GRL. Shout out to my sponsors, Gravity Lost, love y'all. And T-motor components, I'm using the GoPro Hero 11 Black. So this spot behind me is a fucking kick-ass spot. I've been watching it as they've been building it. It was just this one wall right here, but now they've got a few more other walls and beams. So let's get in here, let's get some good footage, and let's have some fucking fun. Here we go. see where I annihilated the frame. Now this is the first time I've ever like actually annihilated a GRL. But see the back bottom plate? The top plate is split too right there. But I hit a metal beam that was laying on the ground butt first, and it crunched it. I wish y'all could see, maybe y'all can see it right there. So yeah, gonna have to turn this into the sponsors and get a new top plate, bottom plate, and rear standoffs. So yeah, I just wanted to show you all that. That was a bad crash, but I had fun while it lasted. Probably gonna use the standard version. I'm just gonna put everything in this one onto that one. So, see y'all there.